So, an observation I learned about these Thai massages. Oh my God, there's so many health benefits. I noticed that I don't have any pain. I used to move a lot less in the US, but I had more pain. And I move more and I have less pain. And I think a lot of it has to do with the benefits of Thai massages, which I pride myself in getting about 3 a week. And when they range between $7 to $22 an hour, depending on what kind you get, that's affordable to do 3 times a week. So I have more energy because I'm in the sun, I'm getting vitamin D, I'm drinking coconut water, which is helping my skin, helping my body overall, and everything, my electrolytes. So that's helping me. And I'm making healthier food choices by, I particularly don't eat Thai food, and I know that's weird, but I've been going through some stomach issues since I've been here, and dealing with some severe nausea. But don't mind me, I got some weight to lose, and I've been making sure I get my protein in the best way I can. Whether that's like chicken, I use like a protein in my salad. I had salmon salad, so just been pretty much just been eating salads and boiled eggs. You got to do what you got to do. I have not had the desire for sweets because everything here is pretty much sweet. I mean, if you get like fried chicken, you get like sweet and sour sauce with it or something. And it's made me appreciate savory more. I don't like sweet meat or sweet cheese, so that's why I can only eat certain things. And I never really consider myself a picky eater. My baby Elijah is though, but I never considered myself. But here I seem to be picky. But I'm learning things about myself. I'm exploring, and I'm learning that I really like to relax. It relaxes your mind. When you get a massage, it helps relax your mind so you're not really thinking about too much in that time. It helps your spirit calm down and your muscles relax. And sometimes they get deep with them time massages. So if you don't want deep tissue, you have to tell them sometimes, oh, but they crack your back and all that. I'm telling you, it's just amazing. So I've learned to appreciate it and let myself. Oh, and don't get no head massage. Oh Lord Jesus, that's another video. But when they massage your scalp, and so I just feel so relaxed, and it's just a beautiful thing. I just really, really find peace within myself, and just freedom to. I mean, look, my hair all over the place, and I ain't bothering nobody. I put me on some earrings because and I don't even leave the house without my wedding ring. And I got my little necklace on, my little guy's eye. There's this guy watching over me, and I just really keep it simple. I don't have to put too much into. I'm just t-shirt and shorts. I just really, just can keep it simple, and I love that for me. And I spent so many years beat face and covering up freckles, and now I'm just authentically me. It's okay, and learning better skincare and still getting my nails done and everything. I got Gel X done and $40 for nails and pedicure. Stop and weigh in. So it's just a beautiful thing to be able to have all of these things within a reasonable, very reasonable budget. So I just really thank God for that, and I wanted to share that with you all. God bless.